We once again take great pride in welcoming you, sir, to our institute. Thank you very much.
It's great to be here. Great to be amongst youngsters. Indeed a pleasure and honor. If you look at my WhatsApp profile or the Facebook profile, I don't remember which one. Look at the status I have set at school. It's always been there at school. One of my close friends asked me, why this? Why at school? I said, all of us are at school always throughout the life because we have to keep on learning. We are all students of the University of Universe. It's always good to come to a school, a college, because this is the place where you get knowledge which shapes up your personality. And this is the finest time of your life. I still remember the days from 1976 to 1980 when I was an apprentice at the Railway College in Jabalpur, where I did my 4 degrees from. Not to gather knowledge, nothing about knowledge as such. About 40 years, 50 years back, when people spoke about, they said knowledge is supreme. Then comes skills, then comes attitude. But the present day world, attitude is supreme. That comes number one. 90% marks go to the attitude. 9% go to skills, interpersonal skills, and 1% to knowledge. That is the change which we have seen. If you have the right attitude, you can do just about anything. You have to be fiercely positive about things. You have to be fiercely positive about things. And that is what will convert you from young students to successful leaders. We all have to aspire to be leaders. I'll talk about management versus leadership at some point in my address. Today I've brought a written down lecture. I hope I'm not boring you. Written down because I was told that I've got about 50 odd minutes to speak, therefore it had to be written down. Otherwise, when I hold the mic, I don't know for how many hours I'll speak. I can go on and on and on and on. I went to Indian School of Business, I spoke for 4 hours. That's why I written down. But starting this, in this materialistic world, we have to pause and think, is it enough to accumulate wealth? Or make a name with the grossly selfish intention of rising in the eyes of others and having a good time? Is that life is going to be all about? No. It's merely living for our own sake and leaving an impression on others, the singular objective for being born as a human after going through existence in 84 lakh life of 84 lakh योनियों में जन्म लेने के बाद आपको इंसान का शरीर मिलता है. तो क्या सर इतना सा मकसद हो सकता है कि मैं बहुत वेल्थ कमाऊं और अपना नाम को? बहुत छोटा मकसद है. In this land of the Holy Gita that stresses on the need for karma without any concern for the results thereof, please pause and think. Isn't there a much bigger purpose to life than mere existence for self-gratification? पैदा हुए, पढ़ाई करी, जॉब करी, फैमिली बनाई, बच्चे हुए, वो सेटल हुए. लाइफ फिर इतनी है. You've got to be much beyond that. You have to be able to make a difference. You have to be able to contribute to the society, to humanity. That is what life is all about. We need to search within the meaning of life. Is life only about a great lifestyle with lots of money, about power that one wields, about creating a social image, about excitement and enjoyment, about costly cars, luxury holidays and cruises, about a great perception in the eyes of others, or there's something more to it, something much beyond the realm of comprehension of the average human being. I remember when I was 21, I just joined railways. I was the youngest ever class one officer of the government of India. The age of 21, I started my career. And the thought at that point of time, how important I am going to be. When do I become the chairman of the railways? I ultimately became. It was all about importance and power and perquisites, staff cars, bungalows, saloons, style. इस एज में स्वाभाविक है. They were my biggest priorities at that point. At the age of 21. How wrong was I? Absolutely wrong about life at that point of time. I was posted in a place called Patrati, the God-forsaken place, the hinterlands of Hazaribagh. 1988, I was there in 1988. Railway township around 20,000 people. That was my domain, that was my territory, that was my kingdom. And I was the senior most bloke floating around. And there I realized that the love, affection and respect of the people one works with, love, affection and respect of the people one works with, is a much more potent intoxicant and a much more noble achievement that all the wealth and authority could get you in pursuit of this materialistic world. There I got this cigarette. There I realized that while authority emerges out of the seat I occupy, the chair I occupy. I'm the chairman and managing director of Air India, so that gives me a lot of authority. But the power which I wield is purely personal. It's out of my own personality, my own thought process, my own conduct, my own character, my own delivery. Power is personal, authority is given to you. Try to earn as much power as possible. Don't look for authority. When I was younger, in my house in Kanpur, there was a board which was hung, a wooden board, on it which was engraved. Honesty is the best policy. It was there. I was a kid at that point of time. I never gave much importance to that. But I still remember it was there. And my father was also an educationist. He was also a triple intake of engineering college. I realized the meaning of those lines much later. But with a difference. I realized that honesty is not the best policy. It's the only policy you should have. There is no other policy. Honesty is the only policy. But it is indeed unfortunate to witness the almost total erosion of honesty and value systems in our society. And it is sadder still when people tell you be practical. More important to be practical than being honest, people tell you that. It's very sad. There are many advantages of being honest, but the biggest advantage is it keeps your life simple and uncomplicated. You don't have to remember what you said to whom, when and where. याद नहीं रखना पड़ता कब किसको क्या बोला था. अगर आप ईमानदारी से जीते और झूठ नहीं बोले. Gandhi is the finest example of a super leader, a super manager. It's very difficult to believe that a man like Mahatma Gandhi walked on this, the land of this country, walked on the land of this planet in the 19th and 20th century. He is the finest example of power acquired through personal commitment, integrity, courage, conduct, and character. Gandhi, the father of the Indian nation, was easily the most powerful man ever to have walked on earth, despite never having acquired wealth or a formal position of power. His persona gave him far greater power than what any Prime Minister of India ever had. His conduct, character and integrity and dogged persuasion of the truth made him achieve one of the biggest victories. the liberation of Hindustan, that too almost single-handedly and without recourse to violence whatsoever. His life is indeed his message, and a very powerful one. On that you should read Gandhi as much as possible. You're all management students, follow Gandhi ko padho. Read about his life. Read about his experiment